Sir, myself is Manuel.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Sir,
Now-
you will now onwards you will teach us maths.
I am going to teach maths, inshallah. Okay.
Sir, we will start chapter number 5.
Yes,
Sir,
beta.
number 5.
Yes, beta. Okay. So the instructions again. I'm repeating the instructions. Please follow it, and you all know the instructions.
Okay, sir.
Do not open the camera. Do not write or chat in Urdu. And the very important thing that you are not following, and after saying it several times, repeating this instruction several times, please immediately mute yourself after asking the question. Okay, beta?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So, first of all, Walaikum Salam. Yes, immediately mute everyone.
Sir, I want to ask what happened to math? Page number?
Chapter number 5 on page number
Page number 61.
61.
Okay, sir.
Okay, is it clear?
Sir,
So, I am going
somebody's
to.
mic is on.
Yes, Isma Anwar. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
okay. Now I am. Beta, yes. All greetings, Alhamdulillah. I accept, Alhamdulillah. And please mute yourself. And now I am starting your maths class.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Salam salam. Yes, mute everyone. I am starting. Rubina.
So from now you are a math teacher. Sir, chapter number 5 is fraction.
Walaikum salam. Rimsha. Yes, okay, I'm starting, and I don't want to see anyone who is opening the mic. Okay, okay. So, beta, this is your chapter number 5, and its name is fraction. Okay, beta.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum salam. Beta, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, chapter 5. Fraction. Okay, beta, is it clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, beta, what is
again. Sir, can tell again.
fraction?
It's part of a whole.
Okay.
Sir, which chapter?
Beta,
Sir, which chapter?
chapter 5 fraction. Okay. Chapter 5 fraction. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So basically, what is fraction?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, you can tell again. Sir, you can tell again.
I am saying that I am starting chapter 5 on page number 61. That is fraction. Basically, beta, who is this?
Zakwan.
Should I inform
Sir,
to the office you are misbehaving? Huh?
Sir, what?
Why you are writing on this screen? If you want to ask me, then first, but do not write anything on the screen. Okay. Yes, fraction
sir.
is, listen, fraction is any number, okay, representing a part of a whole. Suppose that a part and a whole means that, suppose that,
part of a whole.
yes, this is your,
Ma'am, I am Kuch.
ma'am is not just.
yes, means, means suppose that you make this, so if you make any number, okay, if you take a circle, okay, and if you divide it into 3 parts, okay, or 2 parts or 1 part, so the particular object, this is a whole, this thing is called as a whole. As you see in your figure on page number 61, Figure 1. You see that figure? There is a square which is divided into 4 parts. Okay, students, you see it or not?
No, sir. Screen is not visible.
Not visible.
But
screen is not visible.
in your book.
Sir, this screen is not visible. Sir, screen is not here. Sir, now it is visible. It has come now. Now it's
Suppose
visible.
that this is a rectangle or any closed figure, okay, and this is a hole, and this is a complete, and you divide into 2 parts, okay, and
Yes, sir.
you shaded one part, okay. So how many total parts are there as a whole?
So 1/2.
2 parts. Total are- Yes, total are- Beta, listen to me first. Okay, so there are 2 parts. Okay.
Sir, 1/2.
Beta, yes, I am
Part
telling
is
this.
shaded.
Yes, I am telling this. There are 2 parts. So total parts are
Two.
is 2. Okay.
2.
And shaded is
1.
one
Part
part.
is 1.
Okay. So what fraction is shaded? What will be the
1/2.
fraction?
1/2.
1/2. Okay. Remember this in the very good, mashallah, 1/2. So remember this thing.
Part is shaded and the whole part is 2.
Yes.
Yes.
Remember this whole part always comes in the bottom, the denominator.
As the denominator.
Okay. So
And the whole part comes denominator.
beta, remove who is
So
writing this
again,
thing.
someone is
And somebody else are doing this.
So this thing is clear that again I am telling you an example. Okay, so see in figure 2 on page number 61 again, there is a rectangle. It is made up of 6 parts. Is it clear? Yes, it's a math class. Anusha.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Figure number 2.
a figure number 2. What is there in the figure number 2?
So I can explain.
In figure number 2, there is a box, rectangle box, and it is divided into
Divided into 6 parts.
6 parts.
6 parts.
6 is
Okay.
equal part.
6 parts, sir.
Is it clear?
There are 6 parts.
Equal part.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
so total number of parts are how many total number of parts are there?
6
6.
parts.
Okay, and if I shade these parts,
5 parts is shaded.
5 parts are shaded. It's called 5.6.
beta,
5/6.
listen,
4.6.
beta, quiet also.
Voice is not coming clear there.
Beta,
4/6.
beta, is this the way of
Yes, sir.
discussion and everyone is shouting? Okay, please mute yourself again. On the screen, I made a rectangle and I made 6 parts out of total. So total number of parts in rectangle is 6.
Sir,
Okay.
your voice is not coming clearly.
I'm
Please say again.
I'm saying that on the screen, I made a rectangle and I divided into 6 parts. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Out of which
Yes, sir.
4 parts are shaded.
Shaded.
Okay. So what's the fraction?
So 4/4. 3/4.
4/6.
Total
4/6.
parts. Listen.
Sir, in denominator, we will write the total. So the
Exactly,
total is
beta.
6.
In
And how much is
denominator,
5? So it will be 4/6. 5/6.
Beta,
Yes,
who is making this
and
line
yeah.
on the screen? So in the denominator,
is not coming.
beta, now it's coming.
Your voice is not audible. Yes, sir. Now it is coming.
Okay, so
Yes, sir. Now
you have to write. You have to write whole in the denominator total number of parts, which make a complete whole figure. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
And in the numerator, you have to write the shaded part or the number of parts which is going to be asked in the question. So here I'm asking you how.
Sir, we have to do example also. Example also we have to do.
Beta, I am telling you later. First, understand this thing, beta.
Sir, I want to ask that we have to do a copy.
Yes,
Don't shout.
I am. When I say you, then you have to do. Okay, these
Sir,
are.
I have done this chapter in your copy and
Mashallah. Okay, so this thing is clear to you how to write. So
yes,
in the denominator, you have how many parts are there? 6 parts, and how many are shaded? There are 4 parts are
4.
shaded.
4.
So fraction will be 4/6.
4.6.
Okay, so this is clear to this fraction part. The
Yes,
simplest.
sir. Clear.
This is the simplest.
sir.
Yes.
Okay. So the simplest way of writing the fraction is that first of all you write the total number of parts in the denominator. Okay. And in the denominator you have to write the shaded portion.
Sir,
Yes,
please
sir.
say them to please.
In the line below this is called denominator, and the number written
Numerator.
above the line is called numerator.
Numerator.
The line is called numerator.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Clear.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It's clear. So
Mashallah.
now we can start friction 5.2.
Okay, listen. And friction, general form of friction is expressed as in the form of generally. Fraction is expressed as A upon B.
Sir, fraction is a number representing a part of a whole.
Where B should never be equal to 0. Is it
Sir,
clear?
you can tell again.
I am telling that
Voice
fraction.
not audible.
Beta, I am saying that fraction is expressed in the form of A upon B. Okay, this is the general way of expressing a fraction. And remember this thing, that denominator should never be 0. Okay, this B part should never be 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, mashallah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, mashallah. So I am moving ahead. Okay, on the next topic. So move on to page number 62. Okay,
Okay, sir.
here are some examples given. Okay, go through the examples and tell me if you are not able to understand any of these examples. In the first example, it is given that I had 12 toffees. Okay, I gave half of those to Rishi. How many toffees did I give?
Explain again. Explain again.
Beta, open your book, page number 62, and I am reading example
Your
number 1.
voice is breaking so much. Yes, sir. Your voice is not properly.
Okay, I am trying again.
So it is properly. It is coming properly.
Beta, check the connection on your side also. Check your speakers also, beta. Now is it audible now?
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Beta,
My connection is very good coming.
It is
So
coming.
your connection.
beta, on my side,
So it is coming.
beta, students are saying it's coming. Check your on side. I am coming. My connection is, alhamdulillah, showing good. Okay, strength of my connection is showing
Sir,
good.
my connection is also good. Sir, my connection is also good.
Very good, mashallah. Beta, move to page number 62 and see example number 1. Okay, what is given in example? I had 12 toffees. I gave half of those toffees to Rishi. How many toffees did I give? Okay, so total number of toffees are, how many total number of toffees are given?
Sir,
6 toffees.
Beta, who
Sir, the half of 12 will be 6.
who made this
So,
line?
Yes,
she
sir.
gave 6
Then answer
toffees.
1.2.
The half of 12 is 6, so we will write 6 upon 12. So then we will cross multiply it. Then the answer will be 1 upon 2.
So is it clear to you? And
Yes, sir, clear.
listen carefully. I don't want anyone
Yes.
to write on the board. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yes, sir, clear.
So I'm saying that total number of toffees is
12.
total is 12. Okay, and
And
I
given
gave half of those, means half of
By
6.
2.
1 upon 2 is
half
2
toffees.
of 12 toffees.
Yes,
12 divided by 2.
half you given,
2.
half you given.
To
Okay,
Rishi.
so half means 1 upon 2 given.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and
Yes, sir.
given of what? Of 12.
Of 12 toffees.
Okay,
12.
so
So
it
then we will
comes
cut it.
6. Okay,
Yes, sir.
12.
is
2
it clear?
divided by 12 is equal to 6.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Means one of the two portion you have given of the whole. Whole is 12 and one half.
Yes, sir.
Again, who is Ruqayya? You are making something and just I told you not to write anything on the screen.
Question number.
Beta, should I inform that you are not following the instructions? Huh? Is it clear? This go example number 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. So move to example number 2. You have to write
So
the
let's write fraction.
yes. You have to write the fractions.
1 upon 7 is equals to 1.
1/7 is equals to 1 out of 7 or 1 upon 7.
Can you erase these things that are on the board?
So beta in example number 2, what is you have to do? Write fractions of each of the following. First one is 1/7. Okay.
We have to write in
Okay.
word form.
1/7. Okay. So the whole thing is that one. One is okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the second 2/3, 5, 6, and 3.
7.
Yes, sir. So
Is it
clear.
clear?
1 out of 7.
1 out of 1 upon 7. Okay. In the
So
second,
like we are getting the marks in the assessment, we say that we get 5 upon 10. 5 out of 10.
yes. Okay. So in the second part, what you have to write fraction 2 upon 3rd, that is 2 upon 3. Okay. So the easy way is to remember 2 upon 3rd. The first number which comes should be written in the numerator as it is 5, 6. 5, 6. So this part you have to write in numerator, and this part you have to write in denominator. Is it clear? All of you?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir, it is clear.
these things is very easy. So basically, beta, math is very interesting and one of the easiest. It is not easy. It is the easiest subject. Okay. Just you have to make your concepts clear. Okay. So fraction is clear. Now you are able to write the fraction also. Numerator and denominator are the okay. Now move to third example. Write the fraction for each of the following. Okay, here it is given in your example. I'm talking about second part. Okay, in numerator it is given as your 3.
Numerator is 4, denominator is 9.
Denominator is equals to 9. So
Denominator is 9. So fraction
then we
will
will
be
write 3 upon 9.
Yes, sir.
3
Sir, we
upon
will
9.
write 3 upon 9.
Okay, and
Yes, sir.
this is
Sir, we will write 3 upon 9.
this is
as fraction.
Sir can say 1/3 also.
हाँ बेटा, is this I
Sir,
will.
we can say 1/3 also, but
You
sir, we
can.
will cross
But by
multiply.
taking it to
It
One
can
over
be.
eight.
It can be also be.
Sir,
expressed-
1/3.
Beta,
Sir,
listen.
the question is not asking. We have to change it into lowest form.
You have to change it into
Simplest
lowest.
form
This is
or
the
lowest form.
this is the standard
So
way
we-
of. Beta, listen to me. This is not the way of
Yes,
discussion in the class. Shouting. How can you able to understand, and how can I deliver my lecture? Beta, okay. So the standard way of writing a fraction is always leave the answer in the simplest form. Okay. 3/9 is also correct, but it is a good way of writing, good way of leaving the answer in the simplest form. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Sir, I want to ask you, you have written 1/3, so it was the simplest form.
1/3,
Yes.
yes, it is the simplest form.
Okay.
Okay. For simplest form, what you have to do, you have to divide the numerator and denominator
Sir,
with
we
the same.
will
So your voice is not coming. It is cracking.
In the way of
So your
writing,
voice
I am saying that the way of writing in the simplest form is that you have to divide the numerator and denominator with the same number. Keep on dividing.
Yes,
and
sir, we have to divide the
keep on
numerator and
keep
denominator
yes
same number.
keep on dividing unless and until a stage came where it is unable to divide.
Number.
Okay, is it
Yes.
clear?
Sir,
right.
it can be a lowest term.
Okay, so now come to example number 4 fast. It is same as like question number 1. Okay, determine 3/4 of 16 pencil. Means you have to do 3/4 of 16. Okay,
We
so
will
Sir,
multiply
of
it.
means multiply.
exactly. Of means what beta?
Multiply.
Multiply.
Sir, 3/4 answer will be
Sir, 3/4
Three up-
answer will be
provided not coming
24.
3/4 of 16. Okay, so we have to simplify it, and in the simplest form, then
Sir, 12.
what is the simplest form? If you divide 4 ones are
4
4,
ones are 4.
and 4 times 4 is 16, and you
4
divide 3,
4 are 16.
and 3 into
6
4 will
4
be
are 12.
12. So 12 is your answer. Is it clear, beta?
Sir,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir, answer will be 12.
Okay. Yes,
sir,
it's 12.
we have got
And
it.
sir, if you have just said to take the simplest form of 3/4, so answer will be mixed form.
I'm saying that to get the
Yes.
answer in the simplest form, you have to keep on dividing with the same number. Okay. The numerator part and the denominator part.
Sir, we can't divide
Sir, I
12.
cannot understand this question. Example 4. So can you
Exact-
explain again?
Okay, I'm telling
He
it.
wants to ask you divide the number
Okay,
many
listen
times.
quite. Okay, mute yourself. I'm explaining your question number 4 again. Okay, you have to determine what we have to determine 3/4 of 16 pencils. Is it clear? So 3/4,
Yes, sir.
this part of means multiply. Okay, and this is 16 pencil, because 16 pencil you have to find out the 3/4 part of 16. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
what you have to do, the next step, either you multiply 16 into 3 and divide it by 4, or you divide. This is also a numerator part, because it is written in the
Sir, we can't divide 3 and 16
beta,
together.
First we will
beta,
write
listen, beta, you first multiply 16 into 3. So 16, 6 into 3 is 18. Okay, and 3 ones are 3 plus 1 is 44. So this is 48. So when you divide
Yes,
this
sir.
into this, so you will come 48. Okay, and denominator will remain same as 4, as it is not anything. Okay, is it clear? Now you are divide 48 by 4. So when you divide 48 by 4, what you
Sir,
get?
then also the answer will come 12.
Beta, then also answer will come 12.
Sir, we can do like this: 4 divided by 16. Then the answer will be
4 1 the 4, 4 1 the 4, 4 the 12. Sir, because 4, 12 4 the 48.
Okay, 48. So it's 48, and when it's divided by 4, so 4 ones are 4, and 4 ones are 4, and 4 twos are
4 to 8.
8.
4 to 8.
So you see that this is the also a way answer will remain same. But this is the beauty of maths, that any way you are solving the question, the method, if the method is correct, your answer will always comes true.
Correct.
Okay. Is
Okay,
it,
sir, understood.
Yes,
Sir,
sir,
move to
understood.
example
but
5.
remember this thing, if each and every question is easily understandable by you, then you can easily solve the solve the exercises. So these 4 questions are understood by everyone.
yes, sir. I
Yes, sir.
understood these 4 examples.
Jazakallah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So next topic is representation of fraction on number line.
Write the natural numbers down.
Representation of fraction on a number line. Okay.
Getting representation of fraction in the number line.
Yes, beta. And the next
Sir,
topic.
please tell.
What, beta?
Sir, I'm saying explain subtraction of fraction on the number line.
Okay, I am telling you this thing. Okay. First of all, the topic which is to be covered right now is representation of fraction. How you represent the fraction on number line. You already
Okay, sir.
read about the number line. Okay, what is a number line? It's just a horizontal line. Okay, and
There is a horizontal line, and we start like a scale. We see it that we will start from 0
okay, and you mark
in the between.
and you
We
mark
And
mark
many
the
numbers
point.
lie
mark
between them.
numbers on it. Okay,
Yes,
yeah.
sir. And the we'll mark bar also.
We mark numbers on them.
Okay, like
On zero.
Then we mark number on them.
any number, not 0, 1, 2, 3, any number. Okay, but for
Yes,
convenient,
sir.
more convenient, and to
We
know
start 0.
the place 0 where from where we are writing the positive numbers and negative numbers, we made 0 to distinguish the positive numbers and negative numbers. Is it clear? Suppose
Okay,
that
sir.
we put 0, so on this right hand side we will 1, 2, 3, 4,
2,
5,
3, 4,
6,
5,
7
6,
in this way.
7, 8.
Okay, is it clear? And
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
you know that in between two and in any two consecutive numbers, okay, there are so many numbers between two numbers. Okay, if we see, if we take any number like,
Sir?
yeah, this is, we take 3 and 4. Okay,
Sir,
yeah, yes beta,
are you teaching maths?
yes beta. What do you think I am teaching?
No, sir, I am confirming.
Yeah, confirming. Are you all okay? So between any two numbers, I am taking here 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4. So between two numbers, there are lot of numbers between them. Okay, infinite numbers are present between any two consecutive numbers. Okay, beta. So
Sir,
in this-
what? So please explain it one more time.
okay, I am saying that between any numbers, there are so many numbers between two numbers. Say 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, there are a lot of numbers in between two numbers, and you have to represent these numbers on number line. Okay,
Sorry.
there are infinite numbers between any two numbers. Okay,
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
so suppose that see here, for
But they
example,
cannot be counted.
listen here. See on page 62, it is written here that many numbers lie between any two consecutive whole number. This thing, you read this thing? Open the book, or you all open the book?
Yes, sir. The book is open.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, read this line.
We have learned to represent
Hamza-
whole
Man-
numbers on the number line.
Mandasha,
Yes, sir.
Mandasha,
Yes, sir,
please,
it is there.
Mandasha,
Between
please,
any two consecutive.
Mandasha, please read. Many numbers lie between any two consecutive from this part.
Sir, please, can I read?
You can read.
Okay,
Read,
sir.
read.
Many numbers lie
Just
between any
mute
two
other friends,
consecutive
please
whole
mute
numbers.
yourself.
Many numbers lie between any two consecutive whole numbers. For
Okay.
example, 1/5, 2
Okay.
upon 3, 2 upon 5, 7/10.
Okay. So
Lie between 0 and 1.
these are some examples. So 1/5, 2/3, 2/5, 7/10. They are written in the form of P upon Q or A upon B. So these are called as
Yes, sir.
fraction. This is clear to you?
Yes,
Yes, sir,
sir.
clear.
Okay. And these numbers lies between 0 and 1. Okay. What you have to do? You have to represent the fraction on number
Sir,
line.
I cannot understand example 1 of 5.3 representing of the fraction on a number line.
Let's explain. He was going to
Beta,
tell that only.
beta, if you are moving, who made this? Nadia could see, beta, you again using the whiteboard. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to represent the fraction. See example number 1. Show 1/2 on a number line. Okay, what you have to do, you have to make a number line. Okay, you are all able to make a number line. Everyone can able to make a number line.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Nadia could see, beta, what happened? Why you are using the screen again and again?
Sir, can I make a number line on the screen?
Beta, mute yourself.
Sir,
Who is
please.
Earlier one chapter was so easy. It was on a whole number line only.
okay? So in example number 1, you have to show 1/2 on the number line. So what is the way of showing any type of fraction on the number line? First of all, you draw a number, okay, and see that the fraction is coming in between whose two numbers. What are the two numbers on which?
0 and 1.
Listen to me, beta. On what are the two numbers on which the given fraction in the question lies in between? Okay, so 1/2 is a fraction which is lie between 1, 0 and 1. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. How you know whether this number lies between 1 and 2?
So from denominator, numerator from numerator.
Okay, you can also do this by dividing the number. Okay, in this way you can also know in between what are the two numbers on in between these fraction the given fraction lies. Okay, so we know that 1/2 is lies between, because 1/2 is equivalent to 0.5, and or we can
Yes,
say
sir.
1/2 means half. So half means
Yes, sir.
this is less than 1 and greater than 0. So this 1/2 lies between 0 and 1. This thing is clear to you?
Yes, sir,
Everyone?
clear.
Everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Aman Jamal. Aman Jamal, this is clear to you? Hamza Kamar?
Yes, sir, clear.
I'm not getting how to present a fraction on the number line. Sir, please explain on the screen.
Okay, I'm showing it on the screen. Okay.
Sir, I am not getting it's example number 2.
Example number 2. First, I tell you. Okay.
Not getting example number 2, how to find 2/3 on the number line.
Sir, me too.
Beta, I'm explaining every example.
Sir,
Wait,
I also.
beta, I'm explaining. I'm coming to that example also. Wait for a second.
Sir, please tell.
Wait, everyone.
This is your number line. Okay, I am asking what first is 1/2. How you represent? You know that 1/2 means half, and it is greater than 0
Greater than 0
and lies with
and
less than 1. So 1/2 is lie in between as it is half. Okay, so we just in between the 0 and 1 we put
both
a mark.
number.
We put a mark and represent as
Right, 1/2.
Sir,
1/2.
1/2 is less than 1. So we will after 0 1/2.
Yes, beta.
Because zero,
first
because 1/2 is bigger.
beta, listen first. The only you have to first
1/2 is half.
1/2.
Whole number.
1/2 is half, and you know that half is less than 1. Okay, if you are doing half
Yes,
of
sir,
anything,
because
what is that? If you have a stick and you have to break it into half,
yes, sir,
so that stick is less than the whole stick now.
and
That stick is less
yes,
than
sir,
the whole stick.
and 1 is a whole number, not
And
a
what-
half.
Okay, so in this way, it is lies between 0 and 1, and it is greater than 0. You broke the stick into 2 parts, so it is greater than 0 because you have something. As this is not that you do not have anything. You have some part of the thing. So it is greater than 0 and it is less than 1. So in between this thing, 1/2 lies. Is it clear? Example na 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta, each and every question should be should know. You
And
should know.
I got it. You
Okay.
are saying that we have to draw a number line.
Always remember the things in algorithm. Okay, it is very easy. Stepwise, you try to remember the things stepwise. And also in math, this is a very necessary thing to remember in an algorithm way, step by step. So coming to question number 2, example number 2.
Okay, sir.
In example number 2, show the following fractions on the number line.
Sir, wait a minute. I want to ask you.
Yes, please.
Every fraction is less than 1.
No, beta, every fraction is not less than 1. Okay, every fraction is not
Okay.
less than 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so move to example number 2. Show the following fractions on the number line. Part 1, 2/3. Okay, so what is the first step? Draw a number line. Okay, divide the length between 0 to 1 into 3 equal parts. Okay, you made a number line. Mark 0 and 1. Okay, and divide it into 3 equal parts. Okay. Okay, 1 part, 2 part, and 3 part. This is not on the screen. It is not showing not equal, but you have to make 3 equal parts. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and first part is represented as 1/3. As you made it into 3 parts, first part is represented as 1/3. Okay, this portion is your 1/3. Okay, this portion represents 2/3. Okay, and this portion represents 3/3. And you see on the in the book also that 3/3 is 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? So the simplest form of 3/3 is 1 because 3 is divided by 3. You get
Everything is
1.
equal.
You get 1. So
I'm getting out.
basically the thing is in representing number line is just draw number line, divide it into equal parts, the number of parts which is given to be asked in the question. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, so in the parts